This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I will show how you can extend the random access memory amount on this device. So to start, you will need to make sure to activate the developer options, which you can do by going into Settings, System, About Phone. Over here, find the Status page and continuously tap at the build number that is not here. Then it should be these in the software information. Yep, so my bad. Instead of going for the status section, go for the software information and continuously tap at the build number until you will receive "You are now a developer" message. Then get back to the main system page, open the developer options, and over here find the enable ZROM switch. Then turn it on, and well, that would be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.